Hi there, I'm in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia, on the south shore of Nova Scotia. I'm gonna take a walk down to the Harbour Front there, where there's everything from wooden boats to scallop draggers to luxury yachts. So come on with me on a tour. There's my bike. I'm up on a hill here. I have a nice vantage viewpoint of the town. I'm on Bluenose golf course here in Lunenburg, and there is the town there. Beautiful golf course. So let's go take a closer look. This town of Lunenburg was one of the first British attempts to settle Nova Scotia, to settle Canada. And this town is an intentional colony, British colony, that's been maintained. That planning style has been maintained. So as a result, this town has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site because they've kept everything intact, which you will see. Many of the old fishing buildings have been converted to pubs or restaurants. The houses have been retrofitted according to heritage, rules and things like that. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
All good. Lots of things to see.
Oh, lots of camera. You can see the houses have been well taken care of. This pub here has one of the nicest views, so I'm just going to take advantage of that here. So here is the beautiful harbor, the focal point of Lunenburg. There's the golf course. And lots of sailing boats. Here's the first yacht I want to show you there in the distance. It's called the Milan 4. It's a 61 meter, 200 foot luxury yacht made in 1992. It's worth $50 million and it's owned by Mickey Arison. And Mickey is former CEO of Carnival Cruise Lines, and he grew that company from 2 ships to over 100 ships, and as a result he became a billionaire. It said he's worth $10 billion. So it's going to be hard to do justice to this town because every street is just filled with these cute little houses. But I'll show you some of them here. I like this one a lot. This is called the Bluenose Lodge. Very quaint. Here's another view of the Milan 4. And interestingly, I bumped into the person who owns the smaller boat there to the left, and we start talking, and turns out they built and developed a few seniors homes and obviously did very well with that. So the normal population, Lunenburg, is 2,300 people. But right now, the Lunenburg Folk Harbor Music Festival is happening. So there's way more people than normal. This huge red building is the Fisheries Museum. And this is the restaurants on the main area. This is the Harbour Front here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
First ride.
Oh yeah. This is my war pony, the bicycle.
I need to go for a walk for this one. So you're telling me stand on your father? No, those are my faces. Oh, so over here.
This town is home to the Bluenose Ship, the Nova Scotia famous ship, sailing ship. Fisherman's Memorial. Adams and Nickel Fishing Company. This boat's called the Picton Castle. It was famous because it was in the news there quite a while ago for some other things. Beautiful boat. And this boat trains people how to sail. They go for periods of time living on the boat. So anyway, you can learn navigation and sailing skills on that boat. It was on the news. It's too long ago for me to remember exactly, but I believe it was Guy Lafleur, the famous hockey player's daughter or something, died on that boat. Anyway, you'll have to check into that, but something like that happened. Okay, here we go. So this is Lunenburg in the summertime. We've got a fishing trawler on the right there. A super luxury yacht here. A quaint little wooden boat. And Scallop draggers. So this boat here is owned by Robert Kuok, K-U-O-K. He's a Malaysian businessman, investor, and philanthropist based in Hong Kong. And the boat's called Aquanova, based in Miami. I was talking to one of the guys cleaning the boat. They said they're sailing to New Jersey, United States, next. Anyway, this is a 150-foot boat, and you can rent it for 180,000 per week.
You can't get the whole boat in the picture.
No, you cannot. So that guy is Robert Kwok, richest guy in Malaysia. His net worth $18 billion. Wealthiest guy in Malaysia. This next place is cool. It's a nautical type place. Iron-bound rigging. So you can see in this distillery, Ironworks distillery, that these buildings, you know, they maintain their layout and appearance, the 1800s appearance. All the wooden vernacular architecture and the details. So every little side street looks kind of like this. It's these gorgeous homes. Trying not to kill myself here as I go around on the bicycle. Nice bank there. I love the colors they use here. Red, yellow, green. Fish shack. So you can see why it's a UNESCO Heritage town, the entire town. It's the Dockside Inn. Shit, I'm going down the wrong way. Oh well. This is the Brigantine Inn. Shipwright Brewing Company. This is beautiful. The Rum Runner Inn. Wow, nicest pizza joint ever. J3 Pizza.
Well, we're good.
Well, I could keep going with this tour forever and ever, but I'm just going to wrap it up here. If you ever get the chance, make your way over to Lunenburg, Nova Scotia, and enjoy. this UNESCO World Heritage town. See you in the next video.